Nestled in the heart of Houston's thriving northeast suburbs, 3811 Timber Rail Drive is a gem waiting to be discovered. This frost-gray brick one-story home radiates timeless curb appeal paired with modern comforts. Freshly painted, it features clean white baseboards and offers a spacious 1,923 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. From the entry to each room, hard flooring flows seamlessly. The kitchen is a chef's delight, updated with shaker-style cabinets, granite countertops, plus a gas range and microwave. Newly installed light fixtures brighten every corner, and the spacious third bedroom boasts an arched opening perfect as a home office, sitting room, or playroom. Enjoy refreshed bathrooms, a beautifully refinished deck, and professionally landscaped grounds, including recent tree work. A backyard storage shed adds to the convenience. Call Melchor Garcia at 832-868-3589 to book a showing.